my lovelies, so welcome back to today's video. In today's video you can see my background is slightly different. I'm trying to figure out a different setup so that it's not taking me so long to set up, and because right now I don't have a permanent setup. I used to, but I don't right now. So as you can tell by the title, we have the Petit Vour unboxing today, and this is the box that I believe I'm replacing Ipsy with. So I really have been enjoying this box for the first 2 times that I've gotten it. They have a really good descriptive card that comes with it, and I will put the price and information here on the screen so you can see all the stuff, and I will link it down below as well. So let's just go through in the box right now. First I see Juice Beauty Antioxidant Serum, and this is, let's read on the card what it says. So it says, Juice Beauty, this serum is like a daily vitamin for your skin. Use after cleansing and before moisturizing to infuse your skin with a healthy dose of resveratrol, I don't really know, and hyaluronic acid. So that's pretty cool. There's a word in here I don't know how to say it, but I mean, that happens to me like all the time. I guess it's just me, but I see a lot of people doing that. So this, it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna see if it's sealed because normally it is. So it is just like another, like a serum. So I will save this because since all the other boxes that I've got, I do have a lot of serums. The next thing we have is Bliss Amora, and it's a clay renewal treatment, so probably a mask. It says directions: wash skin with a mild cleanser before application. Apply a layer of mask to the face and neck or to troubled spots. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. Remove with warm water and gently pat dry. And it says that this retails for $10, so that's actually really inexpensive for a mask, and it's in a glass pot. It kind of looks more like a indie kind of a brand, and everything that I say on here is pretty much what it says. It says apply once a week for 15 minutes to draw out impurities, refine skin texture, improve hydration, and prevent and treat breakouts. You can also use it as an overnight spot treatment for blemishes. So it's like a gentler face mask, I would say, since you could wear it overnight. So there's that. We have one pretty big item in here, and it looks kind of like not very cool color. It's a African soap face wash, which is pretty cool because we always need face washes. It says to shake well. So this face wash, this foaming cleanser exfoliates, minimizes scarring, and brings breakouts to a screaming halt. We love that it is made with African soap, knowing it reduces discoloration and dark spots. So it has a very interesting color to it. That is that. It's just, I mean, obviously it's African soap, but a very interesting color to it. And then the last thing in here is a brow pencil, and it is from, looks like it says Clay or Kelly, and Beach Babe Natural Brows, made with castor oil to stimulate brow growth. That's cool. This brow definer glides on easily as a powder finish, has a powder finish, and stays put all day. Use light upward strokes to apply. Okay, making a sound. So non-toxic, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly. Watermelon, hibiscus, papaya, mango, jasmine. Could you eat this? My goodness. Woo, it's a really pretty packaging, nice and pink. It's creamy, very, very creamy. you would have to, it does say use light strokes, so. So that is what we got in this box. We got everything. We have 4 items in here, and everything in here I'm excited to try and excited to use. We have all of the wormies in here, which those are really good because these can be recycled and they biodegrade, so that's better than foam from BoxyCharm. So let's see. So I will put all the information for Petit Vour down below. I believe, so on the Petit Vour website it says that your first box is $15, but after that it can go up. Mine is $18, and it depends on your order in the way that you order it. So sometimes you can order like 6 boxes in advance and you pay a flat rate for that, and then, or you can order a year of boxes and you pay a flat rate for that, which is really cool for like gift ideas if you want to do that. And so mine is $18 a month for just 1 box a month. But for me, that's really worth it to know that I'm getting my cruelty-free natural products and I have that peace of mind. So that, I mean, if you want to have that peace of mind, $18 a month. And in a sense, you get a lot of stuff. Like I have a face mask here, I have a serum, I put that on, I have a face wash, so I don't have to buy any of these things extra. I already have them to use. So for $18 a month for, let's see, let's add this up. So I paid $18 and everything in my box cost $50, like combined. So I think that I really lucked out. I have all the natural products here, and a lot of the times natural products can be so expensive, and it's not that they're trying to rake you over the coals, it's that these are really good ingredients. They're not easy to come by, they're really nice, awesome ingredients. So I would recommend giving it a try at least one time to see how you like it. And yeah, you can let me know down below if you have tried it and what you think of it. But I am really surprised at this box and I'm loving it. So I am going to say right now that I'm going to cancel Ipsy and I'm going to keep this one. So it'll be rolled in with the Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So it'll be kind of changed a little bit because I won't have to know so much about whether or not my Ipsy is cruelty-free or not. It'll just be BoxyCharm. And BoxyCharm is normally about 80% cruelty-free products I get in my box. On a general, like a lot of the brands that I use that they choose to put in their box are cruelty-free, so that is really, really nice. And as I've been getting the boxes, I've been learning more about brands. Some of them are like a complete mystery, so I just kind of put those guys off to the side and then say whatever. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys here. I love this box so far. There will be more to come with my BoxyCharm unboxings, but I just really wanted to give this one a dedicated video just to give you guys a really good insight on what I think of it. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!